If you're struggling with dry, flaky lips and are looking for the perfect solution to keep them soft and smooth, a good lip scrub can be a game changer. In today's video, we're going to review the top 5 lip scrubs to help you find the best one for your skincare routine. These scrubs not only exfoliate but also hydrate and nourish your lips. So, if you're ready to treat your lips to the care they deserve, stay tuned as we dive into the best lip scrubs on the market. Kicking off our list at number 1, Sara Happ Lip Scrub. The Sara Happ Lip Scrub is a luxurious, award-winning product that has become a cult favorite for many beauty enthusiasts. This scrub is formulated to exfoliate and hydrate, giving you smooth, supple lips with minimal effort. Available in several tempting flavors, it has garnered rave reviews for its effectiveness and indulgent experience. Whether you're preparing for a bold lipstick application or simply want to treat your lips to a little TLC, the Sara Happ Lip Scrub delivers noticeable results. Key features. The key to the success of the Sara Happ Lip Scrub lies in its gentle yet effective exfoliation. Made with a combination of sugar crystals and nourishing oils like jojoba and sweet almond, it buffs away dead skin while leaving behind a smooth, moisturized finish. The scrub is free from harsh chemicals and additives, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. Plus, it comes in a variety of flavors such as vanilla bean, brown sugar, and peppermint, which makes the exfoliation process feel like a luxurious treat. Benefits and usage. One of the biggest advantages of this scrub is its dual action, exfoliating and hydrating at the same time. The fine sugar crystals provide a gentle, non-abrasive exfoliation, which effectively removes dry patches. Meanwhile, the rich oils in the formula help to nourish and lock in moisture, preventing the lips from drying out post-use. Simply apply a small amount to your lips, massage in circular motions, and wipe off for instantly smoother lips. Regular use of this scrub can promote soft and healthy lips year-round. Usability. This scrub is easy to use and fits into any skincare routine. You can use it as part of your morning or evening regimen, or whenever your lips need a quick pick-me-up. Its small jar design is compact, making it travel-friendly and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. The scrub has a pleasant texture that's not too gritty, allowing you to exfoliate your lips without irritation. Durability. The Sara Happ Lip Scrub is built to last, with a little going a long way. One jar typically lasts for a few months, even with regular use, due to its concentrated formula. The scrub's hydrating ingredients also help keep your lips soft and moisturized for a prolonged period, so you won't need to reapply constantly. In the second spot, we have E.l.f. Lip Exfoliator. E.l.f. has made a name for itself with affordable yet high-quality beauty products, and the E.l.f. Lip Exfoliator is no exception. This scrub comes in a convenient lipstick tube format, making it easy to apply without any mess. It's designed to gently exfoliate lips and remove dry skin, all while conditioning and hydrating. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly lip scrub that doesn't compromise on performance, the E.l.f. Lip Exfoliator could be just what you need. Key features. The E.l.f. Lip Exfoliator features a unique blend of sugar crystals, shea butter, and vitamin E. These ingredients work together to slough off dead skin and provide deep hydration. The scrub's formula is not only effective at exfoliating but also leaves the lips feeling soft and nourished. The compact, twist-up design makes it easy to apply directly to the lips without the need for a separate applicator, reducing the risk of mess. Benefits and usage. This scrub is perfect for anyone looking for a quick exfoliation and smooth lips without the hassle of applying a separate product. The sugar crystals are fine enough to avoid irritation, and the shea butter and vitamin E work together to provide long-lasting moisture. To use, simply apply directly to your lips in a gentle scrubbing motion, then wipe away the excess. For best results, use it before applying lip balm or lipstick to enhance the smoothness of your lips. Usability. Thanks to its lipstick-style design, the E.l.f. Lip Exfoliator is incredibly easy to use and mess-free. It's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups and makes for an excellent travel-friendly option. Its user-friendly design ensures that you can exfoliate your lips with precision and without any hassle, making it ideal for quick morning routines or when you're in a rush. Durability. While this scrub may not last as long as some higher-end options, it provides enough exfoliation and moisture to keep your lips soft and smooth for several hours. The small tube is portable, so you can take it with you and reapply as needed, though it is best to use it regularly for continued results. Coming in at number 3 is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kiss-R Scrub. Fenty Beauty's Pro Kiss-R Lip Scrub is a high-end option that promises to transform your lips with its indulgent formula. Known for its quality products that cater to all skin tones, Rihanna's brand delivers once again with this luxurious lip scrub. Infused with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and jojoba oil, this scrub provides a pampering experience while delivering smooth, supple lips. Key features. The Fenty Beauty Pro Kiss-R Lip Scrub features an advanced sugar-based exfoliant with a mix of shea butter, jojoba oil, and vitamin C. These ingredients are known for their nourishing and hydrating properties, ensuring that the scrub not only exfoliates but also moisturizes and protects the lips. The scrub is also free from artificial fragrances and colors, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. It comes in a sleek, portable tube that's easy to carry and apply. Benefits and usage. The Fenty Beauty Pro Kiss-R Lip Scrub helps to remove dead skin cells, leaving your lips feeling fresh and rejuvenated. The nourishing ingredients hydrate the lips, making them appear plump and soft. To use, simply apply a small amount onto your lips and gently massage in circular motions for a few seconds before wiping away. You can use it in the morning as part of your daily skincare routine or as a prep step before applying lipstick for a smooth canvas. Usability. The scrub is easy to apply and has a smooth, non-gritty texture that won't cause any discomfort during use. It's ideal for daily use as part of your skincare regimen or whenever you need a little extra TLC for your lips. The sleek packaging makes it simple to use and carry, and it doesn't create any mess, so it's perfect for travel or on the go. Durability. This scrub provides long-lasting hydration and moisture, so you won't need to reapply constantly. It's an investment product due to its luxurious formula, and a little goes a long way, ensuring that the scrub lasts for an extended period even with regular use. The moisturizing effect lasts for hours, leaving your lips feeling soft and smooth. Taking our 4th spot is Hanalei Sugar Lip Scrub. The Hanalei Sugar Lip Scrub is a Hawaiian-inspired product that's perfect for those seeking a gentle yet effective scrub. Made with natural ingredients like sugar and Hawaiian kukui oil, this scrub provides a soothing experience while exfoliating your lips. If you're looking for a scrub that uses all natural ingredients and leaves your lips feeling nourished and smooth, this is definitely one to consider. Key features. This scrub is made with 100% natural ingredients, including sugar, kukui oil, and hibiscus flower extract. The sugar works as a natural exfoliant to remove dead skin, while the kukui oil deeply hydrates and nourishes the lips. The hibiscus extract adds a touch of antioxidants, providing protection against environmental damage. The formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, making it suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage. The Hanalei Sugar Lip Scrub provides a gentle but effective exfoliation, leaving your lips feeling smooth and revitalized. The kukui oil provides deep moisture, ensuring that your lips don't feel dry after exfoliation. Use the scrub by applying a small amount to your lips, massaging gently in circular motions, and then wiping off. The natural ingredients make this scrub a great choice for anyone with sensitive skin or those who prefer organic products. Usability. The Hanalei Sugar Lip Scrub is easy to use, and the small jar design makes it convenient for travel. It doesn't create a mess and is quick to apply. You can easily incorporate this scrub into your daily skincare routine or use it as a weekly treat for your lips. The formula is gentle enough for daily use, and its natural ingredients make it a great option for those looking for eco-friendly products. Durability. This scrub is effective and can be used consistently to maintain smooth, hydrated lips. It's a small jar, but a little goes a long way, and the natural oils ensure that your lips stay moisturized for hours after use. With regular application, your lips will feel soft and healthy, making this a durable option for those seeking long-lasting results. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 lip scrubs that can give your lips the smooth, hydrated feel they deserve. Whether you're looking for a gentle, everyday exfoliator or something with a little extra luxury, these products are sure to make a difference. We hope this video helped you find the best lip scrub for your needs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.